At Unihertz, we wondered, what if less is more? Since the beginning, Jelly smartphones were made to be unique, to stand out in a world of bulky, boring designs. Today, we continue that journey. Introducing Jelly Star, the world's smallest Android 13 smartphone, and the most advanced Jelly we've ever made. There's a new, faster processor, double the internal storage, and more RAM for smoother multitasking, and a new transparent design that lets you see into Jelly like never before. Jelly Star has the same pocketability you love, now with even more power. With Android 13, Jelly Star has all new features like themed icons, app-specific languages, and fast pair for your Bluetooth devices. So when it's time to do big things, you can take a break from distractions and stay focused. Jelly Star features a new 48-megapixel camera. Higher resolution lets you capture every detail in stunning clarity. Plus, with an all-day battery, you'll never miss a shot. Its back LED lights transform the way you receive notifications, phone calls, and enjoy music. The LED lights can be set to a schedule, so they turn off when it's time for bed, or turn on when it's time for dinner. Jelly Star rounds out its features with everything you know and love, like a 3.5mm audio port, dual SIMs, and programmable buttons, with a touch of a finger or a captivating smile. Jelly Star unlocks a world of possibilities. The tools we choose are an expression of who we are. Jelly Star. Be the star you're meant to be.